2. Our letter for today is the letter N. N has a counterpart in English, is the equivalent of number. N in number. The way we write the letter N at the beginning and in the middle, it shares a lot of similarity with the letter T, but with one dot missing. Also, to note that the letter N, when it comes at the end of a word or when it takes the form of isolated, that letter would come, half of it would come below the line. To repeat again, the letter N, when it's written at the beginning and the middle form, it will stay above the line. As you can see, here it is, the letter N written at the beginning of a word and the letter N written in the middle of a word. But when the letter N comes at the end of a word or takes the form as isolated, then half of the letter will come below the line. This letter has a name and it is the letter Noon, but we always read it and pronounce it in a word as N. N. So we would never read it as Noon in a word because that's the name, but the pronunciation is N. Now let's practice writing the letter N with a couple of examples, such as the word na. Nana in some cultures it means grandma. So as we see the letter N, how it's written at the beginning. And the word Nisan. Can we spot the letter N in this word? Yes, we can. Written at the beginning and written at the end. That's the letter N and that's the letter N. The next letter is the long vowel E and then followed by S. And then finally the long vowel R. And always remember, in Arabic you would read from right to left and you would read it Nisan. And Nisan in Arabic means April. Nisan means April. And if you have a look at another example, the word Nar. Nar in Arabic means fire. Can we spot the letter N? Yes, here it is. It's written at the beginning. N, you would say Nar. Nar. This is the shape of the letter N. How would you read it? N with a long vowel R, you pronounce it Na. And finally, the letter R, you'd read it Nar. Nar. Another example, the word Nuwab. Nuwab means MPs. That's the letter N written at the beginning. N with a long vowel U followed by R, so you'd pronounce it Nuwa. Nuwa, and the final letter is the letter B, you'd pronounce it Nuwab. Nuwab. Another example. The word Narjis. Narjis in Arabic means daffodil. How would we read this word? We always start by reading the consonant with the short vowels on the top. So the letter N, and what's on the top of it is the short vowel R. So you'd read it Na. And the letter R with a pause, so you'd read Nar. And J with a short vowel E, you'd pronounce it Narje. And finally, the last letter is S. You would read it Narjis. And Narjis in Arabic means daffodil. Another example. Majnoon. Can we spot the letter N? Yes, we can. Here is the letter N written in the middle of a word. And here is the letter N isolated. How would we read it? We always start with a consonant with its vowel. M with a short vowel R, you would say ma. And then J with a pause, you pronounce it maj. And the letter N with a long vowel O, you pronounce it nu. And finally, it's N, so you pronounce it majnoon, majnoon. Now let's run a comparison. How would we read the letter N when it's followed by a short vowel and a long vowel? The letter N, if we write a couple of times, here's the letter N, and the letter N, and here is the letter N isolated form. How would we write it? Now let's practice with long vowels. N with a long vowel R, you'd pronounce it na, na. Whereas with a short vowel, you pronounce it na, na, na. So there's a big difference. Na and na. N with a long vowel O, you'd pronounce it nu, nu. Whereas N with a short vowel O, you'd pronounce it nu, 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 nu. And N with a long vowel E, you pronounce it ni, ni, ni. Whereas N with a short vowel E, you'd pronounce it ni, ni.